Can't have a sawmill and a farm without having proper equipment. Cut that on. Yep, we're good to go. So, there's two types of saws that we like to run. One, steel. This is an MS310. It served its purpose quite well for us. We got a big enough bar on it. We cut down some pretty large trees. The only one I like to run is my Husqvarna, which it's over the thing here. We just grabbed this one. Husqvarna, I'm switching chains and bars on. I'm trying to get I think a little bit different bar type or different kind of chain on it. Experimenting with it anyway, so we left it at home. But anyhow, can't have farm life and country life without having a chainsaw in your life. Get out and get you guys a chainsaw. I'm gonna go cut some wood. Later, guys.